Mayco International, located in Sterling Heights, Michigan, needed an energy-efficient lighting solution to address high energy consumption and inconsistent light quality in their automotive manufacturing facility. The outdated lighting consumed over 2 million kilowatt-hours annually, driving up costs and creating operational inefficiencies. Maintenance on aging fixtures was also a constant challenge. Mayco partnered with the Safety Source for a facility-wide LED lighting upgrade, focusing on reducing energy consumption, lowering costs, and improving workplace safety and productivity. The upgrade replaced over 1,000 fixtures with energy-efficient LED lighting, including advanced sensors for occupancy and dimming control. The LEDs provide consistent illumination while using 60% less energy. This resulted in an energy savings of over 1.25 million kilowatt-hours annually. The project delivers total yearly savings of $108,599. Mayco International's decision to invest in LED lighting demonstrates their commitment to sustainability and operational excellence. With the Safety Source, they've achieved lasting energy savings and set the foundation for a greener future.